Hello, database enthusiasts. Welcome back to our MySQL Mastery series. We've covered numerous topics, from stored procedures and functions to database normalization. In today's final video, we'll dive into MySQL security. We'll explore best practices for user management, access control, and encryption. If you're ready to fortify your database, hit that like button and let's get started. Proper user management is crucial for maintaining a secure MySQL environment. Here are some user management best practices. 1. Create separate accounts for different users and applications, granting only the necessary privileges. 2. Use strong passwords and enforce password policies, such as minimum length, complexity, and expiration. 3. Regularly review user accounts and privileges, removing unused accounts and revoking unnecessary privileges. Access control is essential for protecting your database from unauthorized access. Here are some access control best practices. 1. Restrict remote access by allowing connections only from trusted IP addresses. 2. Limit the use of the root account and other accounts with administrative privileges. 3. Use the principle of least privilege by granting users only the necessary access rights to perform their tasks. Encryption is a vital component of MySQL security, protecting your sensitive data both at rest and in transit. Here are some encryption best practices. 1. Use SSL/TLS to encrypt connections between MySQL clients and the server. 2. Employ data at rest encryption to secure your stored data, such as tables and logs. 3. Protect sensitive data within your database using built-in encryption functions. Congratulations! You've just explored MySQL security best practices, ensuring a robust and secure environment for your database. Thank you for joining us on this MySQL mastery journey. If you've enjoyed this series, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share these videos with your fellow database enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.